Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is our weekly. Um, this is our weekly meeting about progress on Gossip, on this new chat that Muscle Labs is building. So I'm going to demonstrate some news. So what we have done so far since last week was we updated the UI. We deployed the new notification system, especially on mobile. There's an automatic retry mechanism for failed messages. There's also features to share contacts and stuff and links via other apps and from other apps. So let me show you quickly the latest version, and then we can discuss. So here is the new welcome screen. I'm gonna create a new account. Here we go. I have already installed the app on my phone. So here you can now we have a search bar. In the settings, you can now share contacts by copying user ID, invite links, etc. And also there's this function share invitation. Obviously on the computer it doesn't work, but on the phone you can share directly here via apps. And when you click on it, it proposes different types of app with which you can share. So that's, I'm gonna try it actually directly. Well, here I'm gonna add a contact. Okay. Here we go. So now we have always these incoming contact requests where people can write one first message. I accept it. I name the conversation. Here we go. And here I can send hi. And respond. And it's a normal chat. Now here with in the settings of the discussion, we have quite a few things to share contacts. We can now remove the contact as well. In the chat list here as well, as I said, there's this search bar that allows you to find by keywords. Here you can add it's a quick list to create new discussions with contacts. Soon we're gonna be adding groups, and we have revamped quite a bit of the UI itself. So feel free to try it out, play with it. Anyway, so one cool thing here is that we've been working on updating the UI, the notifications, the retry mechanism to resend messages that failed, sharing invites via apps. We have started working also on the APIization of all of this. So basically have Gossip be a multi-layered library where you can, where other people, developers can reuse these libraries to integrate chats inside other apps. So this is a work in progress. We have also started working on the backend. So everything related to ways to achieve private communication, even when there is lack of internet connectivity. So we have started a big groundwork on this, and we're gonna keep you updated because that's something that other chats miss a lot, being able to have multimodal communication even when internet communication is not very good. So this is something we're working on with partnerships that we are building now. And yeah, that's the big pieces that we have for now. And we have one big announcement to tell you. It's that starting from someone this week, we're going to announce an experimental version. So we're going to publish the progressive web app directly on Masa's DWeb mainnet. And we are going to publish also the APK that you can try and install. So whether it's on your phone or on the computer, you can try it. You can play with it, give feedback. So all of this is going to be announced exactly this week. Get ready for all the details and get ready to start playing with it. So that's kind of the big news of the week, and all of this will be announced in details. Don't worry, very soon. So I hope this this is cool for you. If you have any questions, feel free to send us messages. Don't worry. And also, as always, if you have contacts, people who need this kind of software, who need freedom of speech, feel free to ping them. On our side as well, we are going to continue building partnerships and trying to use the Masa technology exactly for what it's been built, freedom of speech, and to reach people way beyond the Web3 world. We're going to piggyback on Masa's peer-to-peer networking, later include payment systems using Masa, etc., to actually have Gossip be one of the flagship products that actually uses Masa and the blockchain for what it's good, which is decentralization. So yeah, that's the main things for now. We're going to take a little break for the end of year celebrations, and we'll be back on January. So our next community call is going to be on the 6th of January, if I'm not mistaken. It's going to be announced, don't worry. And that's it. That's it for this short demo. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. Otherwise, have an amazing break and see you very soon. Oh, people are asking me, how was SplinterCon? Okay, SplinterCon is a conference where many people, activists, many people working in freedom of speech, etc., are joining. And I was at SplinterCon, actually. I was lucky to be there. It was amazing. I met quite a few people. I met quite a few people who are in contact with activists, who are actual people building freedom of speech solutions. And it's amazing because we also met people from funding agencies. Anyways, we started a few collaborations. We started discussions and collaborations with a few people from there, especially around Gossip and around the Masa ecosystem. So we'll tell you more about the details very soon. But just to spoil it a bit, we have been working on establishing partnerships for circumvention, so avoiding different kinds of censorship, and make Gossip kind of the flagship product to use these techniques. We've also been communicating with people who are building already solutions, try to establish partnerships for Gossip and other aspects as well. And we've been in contact with funding agencies. For them, we have written a Gossip proposal for a grant, and we have sent it. So let's hope for the best on that side. And finally, we have discussed about people who are actually using freedom of speech solutions on the ground, and they are not very satisfied with many of the flagship products. So many of them are requiring different ones, new ones to be built. And we listen to them, and we're gonna try to incorporate everything they told us directly inside Gossip to make sure that it responds to actual needs on the terrain. And that's amazing because that's something that's really lacking in the cypherpunk area. Here we're directly in contact with the people on the ground. So we hope this is going to be fruitful. And in any case, the conference was amazing. Yeah, thank you for the question. Anyway, so it was nice talking to you. The goal for these things to be quick updates. We'll continue making some of them, and next one will be in January. Until then, we're gonna start designing everything related to the backend, trying to make Gossip available even under high censorship, high pressure environments. And we hope for the best. Thank you again for following us, and keep in touch. Again, this week when we publish, feel free to try it out, play with it, and give us feedback. Thank you, everyone. See you. Bye.